friendship! Hi! At today's video again, my baby will join me to unbox Mama's news camera! Yay! Are you excited? Say, are you excited, Mama? Yes, Mama, I'm excited. So you're gonna help Mama. This is Mama's news camera. So let's unbox it because my baby love unboxing box. So my son will join me to unbox. He's always want to unbox it. He want to unbox stuff. Wow! Wow, anak! Oh my God, it's so cute. This is Mama Lita's camera. Oh my God, it's complete set. I cannot wait. This is the case. And we have the mini sheet for Miss Kizzy to develop. And we have photo album. Yeah! Yeah, this is Mama's another new camera we can add to Mama's collections. Yay! Yay, Mama! Wow! 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 It's nice. We have battery, everything there, Mama. Let's see. Mm. See, I told you my baby loves unboxing. See, he loves that one. See. Oh my God, it's so cute. So cute, Mama. We have another collection for the camera. Yes, and we're going to try this. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Say, Mama, bye.